Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I have a craft with me. I wanted to work a little bit more on my junk journal that I started on with Louisa, who is my Crafty Boutique Co. here on YouTube and also on Instagram. So let me just start with this is using my stash. So if you guys are following Use Your Stash at 2023 MCBC, use that hashtag. I used a cereal box to create this junk journal. I also used a gift bag from Dollar Tree, a game board from Dollar Tree. Let me just show you what it looks like. This is what it looked like. It's all made out of paper or cardboard, and I also pulled up some free images on Google, and I'm going to be using those for my let me just back you up a little bit so you can see more, to embellish my junk journal. So here I added some beads to the handle as per our friend Eve, who is Eve Ara here on YouTube. She suggested to put beads onto my handle, and this handle is part of the gift bag that I picked up from Dollar Tree. So Dollar Tree gift bag, Dollar Tree game board, and also Dollar Tree trim. And I added this snow flecked tool to the edges. I also stitched, this is the cardboard cover of the game board, and I stitched all the way around. You can see that. This free image I pulled up from Google, and then I printed it onto some glitter cardstock. So that's what I did here, and then I just fussy cut this one out, and I put it up on a little bit of foam. I don't really want to put too much. I might come back later and add a little bit of embellishments, but I think for right now, I think that's what looks great. So for the spine, you can see this is where the folded side of the paper, the gift bag that I had. You can see all the creases and everything. I love that. And so you can really tell that this is a recycled project. This is also some eyelets I put in there. So it's kind of like traveler's notebook style. So this first insert, it has some of the papers that I printed up from scanning the game board, and also from pulling it up from Google free images. So yeah, you could see that the pages are a little offset. They're not all one length. And I think I could get away with doing that because my junk journal cover is a good 1 inch bigger than the insert. Mainly because I want to add trim, you know, all that fun stuff to the edges of my pages, and then go from there. I did add some scanned, and I scanned the game board and then I printed it off. Or actually, this is the cover. So I scanned it and printed it off on cardstock and covered the inside of my junk journal. And then here, this is scraps from Carousel, the Maggie Holmes Carousel paper pad. I just took some pieces of the papers and covered the spine on the inside. And I also put some hot glue on the back side of the eyelets. You can see right there. And that's mainly to protect the elastic from shredding, because this eyelet from We Are Memory Keepers, when I used my crocodile to secure the eyelet kind of shredded. So it wasn't a smooth finish. So I had to cover it up somehow. And then I just thought, hey, why don't I just put some hot glue on there, and it protects my elastic from shredding. So let's get into it. I have some of the printables here that I, scanned or downloaded from Google. I also used some papers from Chiquita. And speaking of Google, I pulled up some other images that I printed also from or onto glitter cardstock. And I will be adding these here and there inside the junk journal. So it's all Candyland themed. And you can find these all, just go on Google, search images of Candyland, and you will see that there is a plethora of resources in there. I also have this little character, and I tried to cut it with my Cricut, but right now my Cricut is not lining up. So I will be cleaning some of this up a little bit more because it just looks kind of ridiculous. And yeah, I want to still be able to use these in the junk journal. I don't want to throw it away. Some of it is not too bad, but a lot of it is just so off alignment. And yes, I know how to what is it called, realign my Cricut, but I just haven't gotten around to it. I'm just bombarded with so many other things right now, and I'm just trying to keep my crafting time, you know, the most part, as much as I can come in here. So anyway, yeah, I'm just gonna fussy cut the rest of this and add them in here somehow, some way. I have other images in here that I pulled up. I thought that would be cute. We could add her onto a rosette or something. And I also, let's see, I also have these ephemera pieces from the game, and I want to put these in there also. Yeah, so I have a whole bowl. Oh, and then they have the game pieces. Oh my gosh, if I can get them out of the cup. And they look like that. Look at how cute. They're so cute. I was trying to think of like, how can I turn it into a dangle? But for now, I really just want to start embellishing. And so I want to add her here. I didn't print up a lot of candies, but hold on a minute. All right, so I found some stickers in my stash that were gifted to me or I bought from Dollar Tree. But look at, I have donuts, I have cappuccinos, I have cakes, I have, oh yeah, I have sweet. I have these little ice cream cones and popsicles and stuff like that. So I plan on putting some of this stuff to use. Why not? Very cool. And then I also have these here. These were gifted to me by Rosanna, and these are like the flocked stickers. So we have a little cupcake here, some donuts right here. Oh my gosh, just a whole bunch of stuff. Some pie. So we're gonna add these, and so are these. These are the foiled donuts. So I'm gonna add those in there somehow. But let me grab my rosettes. I think I have some rosettes in here. I have some of these that were gifted to me by Deborah, and I think I want to use the yellow. These were gifted to me from the, oh no, not the yellow. She doesn't, it's not sticking or standing out. Let's see. Yeah, that's better, the white. And we can add her to the Candyland book. The only problem I'm concerned about is using it and then having the bulk. Okay, we're gonna probably add her over here somehow. I'm just getting a feel for what I want to do. let's see. I want a little bit of separation. So I'm just gonna grab some of this tulle again. This is the same color that I used on the cover to go around the outside edge. And I think I just want to ruffle it up a little bit. Like that. You know, simple little butterfly bow. Ooh, that's pretty. Did you guys see how I did that? That was cool. Looks like a bow. It ain't that fancy, but we're gonna use my little finger protectors here so I don't get burnt. I'm tired of getting burnt, guys. Getting burnt all the time. Okay. Let me just add a little bit of hot glue, or a lot of hot glue, and stick her down. Really get it all in there the way we want it. Fluff her out. Just like that. We didn't even have to make a knot. Look at how cute. So pretty. So pretty. I think I'm gonna pop her up on some foam and just put that little girl right there. I think she's adorable. All right, let me grab some double-sided foam tape. I cannot talk. And of course, it's late in the day. It's late in the evening, not the day. Put that on there. Oh, come on. Put that on there. And then you just need a little bit of that. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah, that works. Look at how cute she is. Okay. Oh. Guys, it's been crazy here. You know, I don't know if I've shared this, but we're planning, not we, yeah, them crafty girls, we're planning a retreat, a Zoom retreat soon, coming up in August. And guys, please save the date for August 6th. We're going to be doing a Zoom retreat with Ebony and Cassie and Treese and myself. It'll be so much fun. We're going to have some games and some craft along, and probably give some prizes. I don't know. Maybe we should talk about it. Maybe we should follow the 3 lovely ladies that I just mentioned, and myself. If you're new here, welcome, and join in on the fun. So let me see. Let's get that all situated. Or do we want her over here? No, I don't want her on the cover. Let's just put her down. And she can also become a tuck spot if we wanted her to be a tuck spot. So don't mind me. I like to talk a lot. Most of the time it's mumbling, carrying on, usually about nothing. Okay, put her right there. Oh, she is so cute. Oh, she is so cute. Let me see. My camera is a little crazy right now. There you go. Really cute rosette to start us off with. I think I want to put some trim also on this edge right here. I grab some of this. I think I'm just going to continually use this. This lovely trim. Since it's in my stash. It's in my stash. And I like to cheat a little bit and fold it and fold it. Oh, I have some already trimmed. I still had some. Okay, I think I'll use that. Just use this right now because it's sitting on my desk. Get my little finger protectors out. And then add some of that up here. Okay. I think I will. Wait a minute. Do I want it on the top or underneath? I think I want it underneath. Okay. I'll turn this. I mean, I can pull this out, but I don't want to because I'm too lazy. I'm so lazy. So this is what you're going to get today. The lazy version. Okay, this mouse is getting on my nerves. I don't know why this is becoming so difficult, but anyway, you guys, I'm going to continue and work on this little journal. I'll put you on time lapse, and I'll, you know, come in and out once in a while because I want to do several pages and I don't want to bore you all. So here we go. I'll put you on time lapse. Okay, so here I'm using some of the Dollar Tree tool, that snow tool, and I remembered that they had different colors of it too. So I went and got some of the blue. I have also brought in some purple and some green tool. And you'll see here, I'll be putting it through the junk journal. Right now, I'm just putting some blue tool around 3 sides. Or did I put, no, all 4 sides. And this is gonna become a pocket on the page. Then I remembered I wanted to add some color to these pages because they're so white, you know, the back sides of the cardstock. So you'll see later I'll be adding some inking to the edges. But that last image was another Google free image I downloaded and printed. I just fussy cut around the blue cloud. And then here's the ink. I used some of that distress inks that I have in my stash. And this ink pad is running dry. So everything is running out, guys. I got to go and restock my supplies, which is a good thing. So I just went ahead and added some of that pink distress ink on whatever pages that I thought were too white, too stark and bright. And then here I'm adding some more of that blue tulle. Okay, so we're coming to the end of this video. I'm sorry, I apologize. So please come back for part 2, and thanks for watching.